morning, campers! Our pre-trip is complete. Let's get out of here. Let's swing nice and wide so we don't have to slow down super much for this turn. Gosh, that squeak's awful, isn't it? I'm so sorry. I am so sorry. Ah! Maxwell. Maxwell, Maxwell, Maxwell. All speed, please.
50.1 miles ahead. Stay on I-70 East as US 35 splits off.
Very cold this morning. 17 degrees Fahrenheit. It is snowing again. Mind you, we're in central Indiana. We're not in Pennsylvania or New York or Vermont or Michigan or any of those places where you expect massive quantities of snow constantly this time of year. We're in Indiana. Well, now Maxwell. Right. So we have 557 miles to go. We've got 6 hours, 26 minutes on my clock. And then I have to take a 2-hour break, and then we'll get a bunch more time back. About 5.25 more hours beyond that. So let us go onward. I'm really hoping we don't run into bad roads in Pennsylvania, because that'll slow us down a lot. If we do, I can reserve a spot at the TA that we're going to be parking at tonight. I'd rather not, because it's a really big TA with lots of parking. And I'm pretty sure we're going to get there early enough that I'll find a free spot. But still, if it looks like we're going to get delayed a lot, then I can reserve a spot and just not worry about that problem. That is an option. That remains an option. We would rather not do that. Rather not do that. No reason to spend money I don't need to. Boy, it's chilly out here. It's finally starting to warm up in my cab, though. Thankfully. Once you get moving, the heater really gets kicking. Wow, I am just getting nudged real hard by the wind there. Easy wind. Easy wind. Luckily, it's pushing us to the right. Since we're eastbound, that'll be not too terrible. We'll just have to be careful in construction zones. But then again, you should always be careful in construction zones, so that's not really saying anything, is it? It's going to be a good day. It's going to be a good day, despite the gloomy weather. I'm dreaming of a white New Year. Oh, that sounds horrible. No, let's... I don't want snow on New Year's Day. I don't. Maybe we'll get lucky and it won't have snowed in Virginia. Let's hope for that. I don't want snow. I don't like snow. I mean, I can deal with snow. No, snow does not bother me. I do not have the fascination with it that lots of other people do. There are some very pretty snowscapes. Up in Montana, when there's just snow constantly for, like, 4 months a year. That's fine. That's fine. I like that. That's just, like, part of the territory. In, like, my hometown of Virginia, where snow is not a normal thing, it's dreadful. It is absolutely dreadful, because it is crippling to everything in my hometown. We've got plows, thankfully. We do have plows now. I live in a southern town that's got snow plows, but it's abysmal. The entire town shuts down for an inch of snow. It's horrifying. Where did you come from? Because I don't want to go there, because oh my gosh, you've been covered in snow. Look at the back of that truck. It looks like he just came out of Wyoming. gonna be one of those days, folks. It's gonna be one of those days. Let's hope that the roads stay good. It's been very far below freezing for several days. So, snow is going to snow is going to stick if we hit any really, really hard snow patches. So we gotta hope that the states that we're driving through today are on top of the snow removal and control and stuff. And that's gonna be Indiana, Ohio, and Pennsylvania. So at least, yeah, all three of those states deal with snow pretty regularly. So I think we'll be all right. I think we'll be all right. I don't know exactly how well Dayton and Columbus, Ohio handle snow, but I know Youngstown's good at it. Youngstown gets the lake effect stuff sometimes, so they can handle it. Mr. Maxwell. Well, not a lot of people going to Lodi, I guess. Oh yeah, that ramp is covered in ice down there.
0.8 miles ahead, merge left on I-76 East.
Elaborate ramp. We've gone out, we've gone in, now we're gonna go out again. Okay. Florence, Maxwell, we got this turn. Cut it a little bit. Perfect.
17.2 miles ahead, take exit 18 to I-76 East.
made it through the Canton-Akron area. We've got an hour and a half left on my clock. We got a convenient rest area right here. Let's go ahead and take our 2-hour break. We are 265 miles left on the day. And that is not to our customer, that is to about 40 miles shy of our customer. Oh, let's slow down a little bit extra for this, because this looks like it might be slick. There's no proper truck parking area, so let's just pull up over here on the shoulder, and we're good. This is the truck parking here. Not a huge fan of that, but you know. Let's get nice and close, and that should be perfect. You're gonna stay there. I'm just gonna sneak up here to the I'd rather have someone between me and any out of control trucks coming down that ramp. Better. Much better. Welcome back, folks. We're at our first potential stopping point for the evening. We've got two. We're aiming for a pair of TA truck stops. We're hoping this one is the one for us. There's nobody coming. Wow, sweet. Made that easy. Stopping at this one to see if it had parking.
0.3 miles ahead, turn left, then turn left.
It is the East Coast, and it's already 7 p.m. No, there's a guy flying up behind me, who I think is going to try and overtake us before we get to the end of the lanes. Know what side of the highway the TA is on.
0.1 mile ahead, right? Turn around. .6 miles ahead, turn left on T426.
Right. Cool. Let's follow that truck there. Seems to know what he's doing a little bit better. I have not been here before myself.
Let's turn on my
And there we are. We're one over from the drop trailer. My setup was better for this spot than it was for that one. We would have had to pull forward a little bit further for that, but that's fine. This is good. The drop trailer is going to make it nice and easy for someone to park next to us if they really want. Otherwise, there's lots of empty spaces here. So we're done for the night then. Let's go ahead and clear our next stop. Clear that. That was the last
300 feet ahead, turn left on Pennsylvania 150 South.
Fantastic. We're 2 hours from our delivery. Change, sleep a bath. Okay. We're 2 hours from our destination tomorrow morning. We can start as early as 5 a.m. Something I've, yeah, we can start as early as 5 a.m. if we want, so we'll beat my ETA by like 3 hours if we do that, but I'll probably sleep until at least 7. I think 7 seems like a good idea. Are you joining me on the easy row? No? All right. Oh, he's going to park on the other side of the drop trailer, I think. Or take a pull through? Oh no, he's doing a straight back. Okay. Cheater. Cheater! And a Swift is going to drive right behind him. Good job, Swift. Good job. Either impatient or oblivious. I do not know which. Probably a little bit of both. Anyway, I'll see you guys tomorrow. My name's Eliodare, AzerAngel17 on Twitch, Xbox Live, and Steam. Drop in, say hi. Let me know if you enjoy the videos by clicking like or subscribe. And of course, come say hi on Twitter. That is your imperative. I'm on Twitter all the time, so that's the best place to have a chat or a back and forth or anything. Thank you for watching. Wow, Werner, you are going way too fast through this parking lot. Okay, he slowed down now. He went flying around that guy that was backing in. Yeah. Thank you for watching and have a great day.